Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help folks just like you start their own businesses on Amazon right here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members now with sales of over $50 million selling right around the world. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. This video, a little bit different. We've been taken over by girl power. I've asked some of my AOE members, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs members, if they will look after things, because I've actually been to the dentist to get a tooth taken out, which hurt. So girl power this week, so let's get into it. Believe it or not, right now, April 2021 is the perfect time to get yourself ready for Christmas 2021. In this video, Kate Ingham from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs is going to talk you through and show you the timeline of events to make sure that you can make muchos cashola in time for Christmas.
Okay, so the Christmas run is something to consider. You've got your October, you've got a week in that's the Golden Week in China, where people go on festivals and on holidays, and it can really impact your movement of trying to get stuff out of China towards Christmas. There's also I noted that Jungle Scout said that the last day to order inventory before the Chinese New Year. Now, the Chinese New Year is February, so they're talking about October 31st being the last day to order inventory. We tend to do it, we're planning it in the end of the year, heading towards the new year, but it's if you've got large volumes, you really do need to consider this at the end of the year if you want to get product out before the Chinese New Year. 1st of November is the last day to get FBA inventory in for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And the 26th of November is Black Friday. The 29th of November is Cyber Monday. That's around the Thanksgiving weekend. And then early December, you usually is the last day for sellers to get their inventory into FBA. So that's there's some days to consider and just be really aware of. And then 1st of February is the Chinese New Year. And as many of us know, you tend not to be able to order anything all February whilst Chinese New Year is occurring. So these days are really worth knowing about. And then you start to think, okay, timeline to Christmas. If I want to have a product to sell for Christmas, which is, in e-commerce terms, when you're going to get the most volume, you really need to start that now. You need to be finalizing your samples, getting yourself sorted in terms of your orders. Your orders will tend to take 45 days for manufacturer, give or take. You need to make sure you've got your Seller Central account set up. You need to make sure you've got your listing copy, images, all of those things that we talk about using the samples. July, August, you're organising your packaging, your kitting, your labelling, your shipping to the USA, and you need to start thinking about air freight has become really expensive. So we're doing a lot more ship by sea, and that's 3 weeks generally. So during that time, you start to set up your social media campaigns, you start to set up your marketing collateral so that whilst your products are transiting, you're getting your campaigns ready. In September, FBA receives the goods, but getting your reviews in place takes time. So you need to factor in that it's like herding cats, organizing reviewers, and you really need to be aware that that is going to take some time. You set up your auto PPC campaigns, and all of that's, taking a few weeks to get all of those things in place. Then you start your manual PPC campaigns, you're setting up your Facebook campaign, your Google campaigns, you're wanting to build momentum towards Christmas. And so you're tweaking, you're optimizing your campaigns, you're setting up your Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, possibly coupons off, some kind of campaigns in place. And then you're doing the run. The last day you can get your stock into Amazon is early December for your Christmas promotions. So where does that leave you? This month, we've got to start making decisions around what your product is if you're going to be doing a Christmas run. Okay, hope that's clear. Now, the Seller Central Setup team, we are tech support people for the AOE members and store holders. They're all the Seller Central team are store holders in their own right, and they have they're all selling on Amazon.
Thanks for watching that video of girl power in the Aussie online entrepreneurs. Did you know in the Aussie online entrepreneurs, the ladies outperform guys when it comes to making money on Amazon? Well, it's true. If you'd like to find out more about the Aussie online entrepreneurs, and if you could like to join into our battle of the sexes, just kidding, we don't really have that happening, then you can go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, find out more about joining over 2,000 folks right here in Australia's with sales of over $50 million on Amazon right around the world. www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks for watching. Bye.